Hello, my name is Vaishali Hunod, and today's my topic is the human urinary system. The human urinary system is also known as the renal system, and which is responsible for the removing waste products from the body and maintaining fluid and electrolyte balance. Yeah, which includes the kidneys, bladders, and the urethra. First, we will see the kidney. The location and the structure of the kidney. The location and structure of kidney contain the kidneys are the two bean-shaped organs located on either side of spine, and just below the rib cage. Each kidney is about the size of a fist. Their function, which is the primary function of the kidney, is to filter blood to produce urine, which removes waste products and excess substance from the blood streams. Next, the nephrons. Each kidney contain about a million nephrons, which are the functional units of the kidney. And nephrons consist of a glomerulus, which is a network of capillaries, and the tubule. Next function is the filtration, which is the blood enters the glomerulus, and where it is filtered, waste products, excess ions, and the water are removed, forming a filtrate that enters the tubule. Reabsorption and the secretion, which is the next function, and which as the filters passes through the tubule necessary substances such as the water, glucose, and the ions. They are reabsorbed back into the blood, while additional waste products and is secreted into the tubule. Next, the ureters. Next part is the ureters. The structure contains the ureters are two thin tubes, and each about 25 to 30 centimeter long, and they carry urine from the kidneys to the bladder. Their function is they transport urine. Through peristaltic concentration, which is a wave-like muscles count reaction, and from the renal pelvis of each kidneys to the bladder. Next, third part, which is the bladder. The structure contain the bladder is a hollow muscular organ located in the pelvis. Their function was the bladder stores urine until it is ready to the expelled from the body, and it can hold about 400 to 600 milli of urine. Destructor muscle, which is the bladder wall, contains the distressor muscle, and which contracts during urination and to expel urine. The fourth part, which is the urethra. The structure of urethra contains the urethra, which is the tube that carries urine from the bladder to the outside of the body, and length, which length in males it is about 20 centimeter long, and passes through the penis, and in females, which is about the 4 centimeter long, and opens just above the vaginal opening. Their function was the primary function was the urethra is to expel urine from the body, and in males, which is also carries the semen during ejaculation. Next, the process of urination. First, we will see the filtration. The blood is filtered in the kidneys to form urine. And second, the transportation, which is the urine transported from the kidneys to the bladder, why ureters. Third, the storage of the bladder. They stores urine until it is the full. Expulsion, which is when the bladder is full stretch. Receptors in its wall signals and the signal in the brains, and triggering the urge urinate. The destructor muscle contracts the internal urethral sphincter, relaxes, and the urine is expelled through the through the urethra. Next we will see the regulation of the urinary system. Regulation of urinary system, which is the hormones, which contain the hormones, and several hormones regulate kidney function, including the antidiuretic hormone, ADH, increases water reabsorption in the kidneys, and the aldosterone, which increases sodium reabsorption and the potassium excretion. Next, the natriuretic peptide, ANP, which reduces the sodium reabsorption and the lowers blood pressure. Thank you.